In a world where technology constantly evolves, a significant update has arrived for the AI assistant, boasting a cleaner and more streamlined layout. This enhancement transforms navigation into a more intuitive and user-friendly experience, making it easier for everyone to access the exciting array of AI features. But that's just the beginning. Integration options with popular platforms like Slack and Google Drive have now been introduced. This powerful feature allows users to enrich their AI assistant's context, paving the way for enhanced collaboration and seamless information sharing across teams. As we delve deeper, we discover that users now have the ability to selectively provide context to their AI assistant. This means that the AI can deliver more precise answers, drawing from relevant documentation. Such customization not only enhances the utility of the AI, but also empowers users to tailor their interactions for specific tasks. Moreover, users can reference specific documents or creative briefs to provide context, which helps Notion AI generate responses that are increasingly relevant and personalized. This capability significantly boosts the effectiveness of the AI assistant, ensuring that it caters to individual needs. In addition to these improvements, Notion AI now features inline typing, giving users immediate access to writing tools. This enhancement elevates user interaction, making the writing process not only smoother but also more intuitive. As a result, the writing experience becomes remarkably versatile. Furthermore, the ability to save generated content as a page or insert it directly into the user's database serves to streamline workflows. This functionality makes managing articles easier and allows for better organization of content, helping users maintain clarity in their projects. Transitioning tasks from a project plan to a task board has never been more efficient. This process enables users to manage their tasks effectively within Notion, providing a clear path towards productivity. However, while Notion's AI offers the capability to summarize tasks, it's essential to note that some details may slip through the cracks, such as the total number of tasks available in the database view. This is a crucial aspect that users should remain aware of. The AI assistant also exhibits promise in reading attachments, yet it faces challenges with certain document formats. These limitations can sometimes hinder its overall utility, leaving users eager for further enhancements. In an exciting twist, the update now allows for selective knowledge input, which greatly enhances the output quality. By providing specific context instead of relying on the entire knowledge base, users experience a significant improvement in their interactions with the AI. In a further demonstration of efficiency, users can now save chat outputs as individual pages and seamlessly move them into relevant databases. This feature streamlines project management and organization within Notion, allowing for a more straightforward approach to handling tasks. Lastly, the ability to read and summarize PDF content enables users to extract useful information quickly. However, it's worth noting that the AI still faces challenges in effectively managing multiple database views. Despite this, the progress marks a notable step forward in enhancing user experience.